Hello, everyone, and welcome to Whimsy Creek Art, and happy St. Patrick's Day. So today is March 17th, 2021, and so I'm going to announce my giveaway winner for the world's smallest leaf blower that I'm giving away. I posted that video about a week and a half, 9-10 days ago. And so today, now I'm gonna, at the end of this video, stick around to the end to hear the winner to the giveaway. So here's my world's smallest leaf blower that I use, and I got one off of Amazon, brand new one to give away in this giveaway. And so a couple weeks ago, the video that I posted, I asked for you to comment on that video, and that's where I will choose the winner from. And so I'm just gonna do a quick little demonstration of the world's smallest leaf blower, and then at the end of this video is the giveaway winner. So be sure to, if you entered the giveaway last week, be sure to stick around to the end to see if you are a winner. And even if you aren't a winner, thank you so much. Thank you for being a subscriber, a supporter of the channel, a supporter of my art. It really, truly means the world to me. Every view, every subscriber means a lot to me. So I've just laid down a base of black, and then I've laid down various greens, and now I'm taking the world's smallest leaf blower, and I also put some gold on top. And the gold and one of the darker greens had silicone treadmill oil. Now I am just gently blowing across the top with the world's smallest leaf blower to just kind of create an abstract design here. So, and then I'll go in for a close-up, and be sure to stick around to the end to see who the giveaway winner is. All right, so now I'm just gonna get a torch and just kind of pop a few of those bubbles. It does create a few little bubbles with the air across the surface. And here is a close-up video, and then I've got a few close-up shots. But wow, the cells in this one, a variety of green cells, and then with the gold being on top, it has some nice lacing through the gold. Earlier today, I did a live stream where I did a swipe with these same colors, and wow, that really popped and turned out beautifully. So I thought these colors were great and nice and appropriate for St. Patrick's Day. So all right, let's get to that giveaway winner. So I just went to a free website. It's a random comment picker. Here's the video that was the giveaway. I am just copying the URL to the video. Then I'm going to go over here to the random comment picker, and I'm going to paste. I'm just going to go ahead and paste in the URL. So I'm just following the instructions here on it's a super easy. So get YouTube comments. All right, so we have 19 unique comments. And so we have 19 comments, and I didn't exclude anybody. I just filtered duplicate names. That's all I did. If you commented more than once on the video, I just filtered that out. Otherwise, we had 19 people that commented. All right, let's just, here we pick one winner, and we just randomly pick. All right, Charnel Sykes. All right, well, congratulations. Your favorite color is any shade of pink. All right, well, give me why don't you comment down below, and we'll exchange email addresses, and I'll get your address and send out that world's smallest leaf blower. So all right, thank you so much, and congratulations, Charnel Sykes. And I will be doing another giveaway again soon. I will be giving away some split cups. So all right, thank you so much. Thank you, and have a great day.